Good morning. Today is a fun day. We have been actually stressing, well, I have been stressing about finding furniture and everything for our new home. Today we're going back into holiday mode and we're going to the Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary. So I think that will be super fun. Okay, we just made it in. Where do you want to go first? Or do you want to see the koalas? I want to see the koalas.
See the bear?
Koalas are
They're very careful.
so cute. We just finished with the koalas and now we're gonna look. There's a train. Do you want to go on the train? That's funny. We just finished with the koalas and now we are going to find the burger place because we're hungry and we haven't eaten breakfast. Hey buddies. We ended up just getting a raspberry and white chocolate muffin to share and then we'll get some more food later.
That's good though.
Yeah, it does. It's big. It's nice.
What was it? Raspberry?
Raspberry and white chocolate.
I know, I like that, like cheese and glass.
Are you hungry?
Oh my god, is this thing gonna bite my leg off?
You want to have turkey tonight?
That's mean. All the birds want our muffin. Did you see him run? That's so cute, actually, right?
Yeah.
It's the largest. Hey, buddy. It just looks like a fluffy dog. They're just baking.
Yeah. There's so many.
Damn. They couldn't care less.
Aw. Dingo are off exhibit.
Hey, look, it's the turkey.
Uh-huh.
Dinner. They didn't read the signs. You are now entering a crocodile area. Children must be accompanied. It's okay. I'll
Where are
hold
they
your
shouting?
hand. It's tasty. Where? Found this enclosure walking along the treetops, and Fairy thinks, ooh, butterfly. Fairy thinks there's a kangas. I think it's a wallaby. Let's see. Haha! I was right. He's so cute.
There's a kangaroo somewhere.
Wallaby. Come, bro.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that one. That's what Nemo looks like when he's trying to sleep.
That one?
Yeah. Burying his head in it. You can opt to do a treetop walk, like they're doing over there. You go all across here. Otherwise, we're doing a steep walk back to go find some kangaroos.
Oh, there's a lizard. Look.
Are you supposed to be here?
Hello. Yeah. Oh, there they are. These have longer tails than the other ones.
Yeah. pretty cool. And now we're just gonna go find this little wallaby friend.
Oh yeah, that is this bird.
Hey friend! Are you snoozing? Look at him snooze. Look at him move.
You want them?
It's going right off. Pretty cool. Look at the tail. Look how strong the tail is.
They can lean on.
Yeah, look, he's actually walking on it. Hello. The other ducks. Look at this. I think he's pretty full. Look at the duck.
You're always the duck feeder. As soon as the kangaroo came out, everybody swarmed like it was a circus. It felt so weird and kind of uncomfortable, and I had to like get away. But Faraday managed to stroke it, right? And
Soft.
super soft. There was a kid who stroked it a little bit, and he was like, "Oh my god, it's so soft." Yeah. And now the birds have come to gather the spoils that the kangaroos don't want. A lady actually gave us the rest of her pellets because the kangaroo was too full to eat the rest. Haven't managed to find a kangaroo who wants it though. Hey buddy. I brought 2 batteries for the GoPro and they both died, so we are now in the Lost Valley enclosure after feeding the kangaroos. Hey guys, I just wanted to jump in here and say that I did do a bit of research before we visited the Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary. They do promote themselves as being more ethical and all about rehabilitation, education, conservation and research. So they do promote more of an ethical style towards their sanctuary. I didn't do an extensive amount of research, so if you know more, please leave it down in the comments below. Faraday and I don't really like going to zoos just because we don't want to partake in a business that is exploiting animals in any way. So in this case, that's why we wanted to do a bit of research first before we visited. There were a few areas where, especially in the kangaroo exhibit, where you see in the video that I got a little bit uncomfortable because there is a barrier where the kangaroos can rest and relax without interference from us. But if they come through the barrier, then of course you're allowed to interact with them, which felt more like a circus because as soon as one kangaroo came out, everybody surrounded it. It was quite uncomfortable, so I just stayed back. You are allowed to feed pellets, which we just stayed behind the barrier, and then if a kangaroo came to us, then we would offer it pellets if it wanted to eat, but otherwise sort of leave it alone. There is another exhibit that allows you to hold a koala and have a picture with it. We didn't partake in this experience because we just thought, well, it's a little bit sad that the koala has to sit there for ages, you know, taking a picture with one tourist after the other. So, I mean, it just felt a little bit uncomfortable to do that as well. I just wanted to put a disclaimer out there because we don't want to promote anything that has any sort of exploitation of animals at all. And yeah, that was it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.